for your shorty. It's just me, I'm trying to start a party. Say my love for you.
Good morning, hi, hello, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a get ready with me / vlog. I haven't done one of these in a very long time, but today my mom and I are going to this market thing, and then we're going to the mall as well, and I figured I would film. And I'm sorry about the barking, like, I apologize. Bailey doesn't know how to be quiet. I'm gonna start getting ready, I guess, and I apologize for this right now, but I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started. So I'm just priming my eyes because I decided I want to do wings and lashes today, and that's definitely not normal for me for like what we're doing today. Plus I'm going to be hanging out with my boyfriend later today, and I probably will take makeup wipes with me so I can just take it off because I'll probably get tired of it. But literally look at the difference. Like, how does it literally look that different when it's just my skin tone? Like, this is the MAC paint pot, and you just like, and literally the first thing I did this morning is I got a cup of coffee. This is a cup of coffee actually on the fridge for like 2 days. And no, that's not disgusting because I wanted it cold and I put ice cubes in here. But it's peppermint coffee. It's like the Keurig cup, but it's like the peppermint mocha latte or whatever. And you like mix this powder stuff with it. And then of course I put peppermint creamer in it too because I am a peppermint whore. Like, I love peppermint. Aww, she's gonna try to eat me. So I keep telling myself I'm gonna be ready early, but I really have a feeling I'm gonna be ready late. But look how good that wing is. Now I have to get this one to match. Oh my god. This is my freaking song. I love this song so much. So I said I thought I was gonna be ready early. That's definitely not gonna happen at this point. But I redid this eyeliner because it turned out terrible, and there's like a little freaking line right there that's very annoying, but I'm putting lashes on. So I'm using my Dr. Brandt primer that I've talked about a ton of times, and I'm also using my Touch and Soul one that I have used so much of. I can't believe I used this much of this just within, I think, 2019. Like, that is so much product. And then for foundation, I'm gonna use my Superstay. I haven't used this in a while, and my Anastasia is getting a little too dark for me now that it's winter time, and I'm literally like the whitest thing on earth. I hope this is my shade right now. I love this foundation so much. I recommended this, literally all the products I'm using today I've recommended so many times, but the reason I'm using them all is because I haven't used them in so long, because like I have so many other products, and I have other newer products that I got over the summer. I literally haven't bought like any makeup since I did that haul, except I got a couple of things from ColourPop. That is literally it. I got like 4 things. I'm using my Morphe M439 brush. I literally never tell you guys what brushes I use. I couldn't tell you the last time I did tell you what brushes I was using. Like, it was probably a year ago. Okay, so there's 2 artists that I've been absolutely obsessed with since I moved to where I live now. And also, I know I look crazy. Like, literally I look just like a blank canvas, but that's because I just applied powder and foundation and concealer and all that good stuff, and I don't have any bronzer or anything on yet. But anyways, the 2 artists I am obsessed with now are Trippie Redd. Yes, I knew about him before I lived here. Yes, I liked him, but I was never completely obsessed with him. And his new album, A Love Letter to You 4, oh my gosh, it's so good. I literally got absolutely, completely obsessed with him right before this new album dropped. And, oh my gosh, I literally look crazy. I'm so sorry. But I was just like obsessed with him, and I still am. But this is his new song, Who Needs Love? And then the other person is Lil TJ. He's so good. He's so underrated. And so I'm just kind of casually sitting here listening to some music, and I'm just gonna play a couple parts of some of my favorite songs right now. So it's kind of like a get ready with me slash playlist video-ish, not really. I'm gonna do an actual playlist video very soon, I promise. Okay, so this is not a Lil TJ song. I will play that next, or eventually. But this is a song that you guys probably all know from TikTok, and I am absolutely 100% obsessed with it. I love this song. It's such a good song. So now I'm going in with Blush, and I'm just gonna play the beginning part of the song, which is my favorite part of the whole song. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys my two favorite Lil TJ songs. They are both very, very good. Okay, so I just did my brows, but here's the other song I'm obsessed with. But, oh. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I'll show you my outfit in a second, but I thought maybe I could get ready and be like early. I'm not. We have to leave in like 3 minutes. But this is the hair and the makeup. I think these lashes look amazing. I still need to put something on my lips, but I'm gonna show you my outfit super fast. Then I have to brush my teeth and go out the door. This is the fit, and I have my fellas on, but I have on just high-waisted leggings, this super cropped little tank top, and my denim jacket. And then I have my chain on, a layered necklace, my big hoops, this ring, and then these rings. And this gold one I got for my birthday, actually. It's my birthstone. I got it from my mom and my dad. But yeah, we have a Christmas tree in here too. But I gotta brush my teeth, play a song and jam out, and then we have to leave because I have to tell my mom the work thing, then we're going shopping. So yeah, we love a golden hour moment. But hi, hello. We just finished my mom's work thing. I'm being absolutely blinded by the sun, but the lighting is super pretty. But we just had to like set up stuff for this festival that they're having in town. But we're about to go to the market thing. I don't really know what it is. And then we have shopping. But yeah, I really like these eyelashes. And like my eyes look super blue, if you can see that. And my highlighter and gloss be popping. But yeah, I'm in a good mood, so that's a good thing. But I will see you guys in a little while. So we just went to Ulta. Oh my god, my eyes look so blue right now. But we went to Ulta and we went to Bath and Body Works, and I was honestly terrified at Bath and Body Works because it was so busy that people were just shoving, and I didn't like it.
And I didn't really record any of those places because I guess didn't. But now we're going to get food and I'm very excited. Yeah, and I got a bunch of free Anastasia stuff because on my Christmas list, like the main things I asked for was Anastasia products. And so we went to Ulta and that's what we were grabbing because my mom didn't know what ABH was, which I guess makes sense. I should have clarified. But I got like a ton of free gifts. It was like 6 things or something like that. I don't know. But that's basically it. I'm not really doing much else today, except I might go hang out with my boyfriend. I don't know yet. He's at work. I'm gonna go eat, and I'll show you what I get if I remember. No promises. But yeah. So, we ordered our food, and the lady literally left in the middle of us ordering. And it was really weird and confusing, and my mom got really annoyed, I could tell. But I'll show you everything I got when my food gets here. But just so I'd explain that, I don't know, I thought it was weird. She was kind of rude too. People seem to be very grumpy today. I don't know why. But yeah. Look how good that looks. And we got breadsticks. Oh my god. Happy girl. So I'm back home now and I took a nap. I'm still extremely tired actually. And I really want some chocolate right now. But I'm really not doing anything exciting the rest of the day. So I think I'm just gonna end this video here because this is gonna be so long already. Like it's gonna take so long to edit this. But I quickly wanted to show you my little Christmas tree. Look how cute that is. And I have all those presents down there already for other people. I wish I got myself something for Christmas, but I got myself my cute little crop tops, so it's okay. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me / random vlog. The vlog part might have not been very interesting, but I don't know, I just figured I'd take you guys along. So I love you guys so very much. I hope you have an amazing day. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.